Everybody is looking for the next big way to make real money online. But what if I told you the metaverse is already creating millionaires, and you're about to see exactly how? So, the metaverse. It's not just a buzzword, it's a new digital economy where the physical and virtual worlds are merging in ways that are already generating real wealth. We're past the hype. People are building careers, companies, and seeing real returns in these virtual spaces. Technologies like blockchain, VR, and AR have matured, making these business models practical and profitable. In this video, we'll break down 5 business models thriving in the metaverse right now, and what's set to explode by 2025. Let's dive in. First up, let's dive into the world of virtual real estate, a booming market that's reshaping how we think about property, ownership, and investment in the digital age. Just like in the real world, location is everything, even in the metaverse. The most desirable digital plots are often found near bustling virtual plazas, entertainment districts, or the headquarters of major brands. Platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox have a fixed supply of digital land, making scarcity a key driver of value. Prime spots near popular hubs or brand HQs command top dollar, and bidding wars for these locations are becoming increasingly common. Major brands aren't just buying land, they're building interactive stores, event spaces, and immersive experiences that attract virtual crowds, boost land value, and create new ways to engage with customers. Investors are flipping land for profit, developers are designing cutting-edge virtual buildings, and digital landlords are leasing out venues to brands, artists, and creators looking to make their mark in the metaverse. Companies like Metaverse Group and Republic Realm are amassing massive portfolios, renting out space, and even offering property management services, creating recurring revenue streams much like traditional real estate empires. Some digital plots have sold for millions of dollars, making headlines and signaling that serious investors believe in the long-term potential of these platforms. These high-profile sales are fueling a gold rush mentality, but the real money isn't just in the land itself, it's in what you build on it. Shopping malls, art galleries, concert venues, and digital billboards are all being monetized through rent, commissions, ticket sales, and advertising, creating entire new business models. Thanks to user-friendly tools and no-code editors, it's easier than ever for anyone to become a virtual architect or designer. This has spawned a new industry of digital creators, offering services from land development to interior design for virtual spaces. Of course, it's a high-risk game. Land value is tied directly to the platform's popularity and user base. If a platform loses traction, prices can plummet overnight, leaving investors with digital ghost towns. If users leave, values drop fast, and once bustling districts can become deserted almost instantly. Still, for those who pick the right platform and location, the returns can be huge, sometimes life-changing. Early adopters have already seen massive gains. Virtual real estate is creating a new class of digital landowners, developers, and entrepreneurs, all working together to build the infrastructure and culture of the metaverse from the ground up. As the metaverse expands, virtual real estate is becoming a foundational and potentially lucrative layer of this bold new digital economy, shaping how we'll live, work, and play in the future. Next, let's dive into the world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, a technology that's rapidly reshaping the digital economy. NFTs are more than just digital art collectibles. They're revolutionizing how we own, trade, and monetize digital assets of all kinds. From digital paintings to music, in-game items, and even virtual real estate, NFTs are unlocking new ways for creators and brands to connect with audiences and generate revenue. At their core, NFTs are unique tokens stored on a blockchain, acting as digital certificates of authenticity and ownership. This means you can prove you own a specific piece of content, whether it's a song, a ticket, or a rare digital collectible, without relying on a central authority. For creators, NFTs introduce the concept of digital scarcity and programmable royalties. Artists and musicians can now earn a percentage every time their work is resold, creating ongoing income streams and empowering creators like never before. Major brands are scaling this innovation. Take NBA Top Shot, for example. It transformed iconic basketball highlights into digital trading cards, sparking a new wave of fan engagement and generating hundreds of millions in revenue. This model is now being adopted by sports leagues, entertainment companies, and even fashion brands. But NFTs aren't just about collectibles. They're unlocking new experiences, VIP event access, early product drops, and exclusive virtual gatherings. This turns what used to be a one-time sale into an ongoing relationship between brands and their most loyal fans. NFT-based tickets are changing the game for events. They prevent counterfeiting, streamline entry, and can offer perks or rewards long after the event is over, helping to build lasting communities and brand loyalty. Projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club have taken this further, using NFTs as digital membership cards. Holders get access to exclusive online spaces, real-world parties, and even special merchandise drops, blurring the line between digital and physical experiences. Today, NFTs are becoming wearable, displayable, and usable across multiple platforms. You can show off your NFT art in a virtual home, wear NFT fashion in a Metaverse game, or use them as badges of status and achievement, making your digital identity and assets truly portable and interoperable. The real business model is about creating digital assets with a clear purpose, whether that's status, access, utility, or community. The most successful NFT projects are those that offer real value and ongoing engagement, not just a digital image. These utilities, status, access, utility, and community, are the pillars of the NFT economy, driving demand and fostering vibrant ecosystems. For businesses, NFTs are a direct, versatile entry point into the metaverse. They offer new ways to monetize digital goods, reward loyal customers, and build powerful, engaged communities around your brand. So it's way more than just JPEGs. NFTs are the building blocks of a new digital economy, one where ownership, creativity, and community come together in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Now, digital fashion is emerging as a booming market for self-expression in virtual worlds, transforming how we think about style and identity online. No longer limited to physical clothing, people are investing in digital wardrobes that reflect their personalities, interests, and aspirations in the metaverse. As avatars become true extensions of ourselves, what we wear digitally is starting to matter just as much as our real-life outfits. Our digital presence is now a canvas for creativity, status, and belonging, with fashion at the forefront of this evolution. Gamers have already spent billions on skins and cosmetic upgrades. Now, luxury fashion houses like Gucci and Balenciaga are entering the space, selling digital-only items for thousands of dollars. These collaborations are blurring the lines between high fashion and gaming culture. Digital fashion is quickly becoming a status symbol. Limited edition pieces, especially those minted as NFTs, can be even more valuable and exclusive than their physical counterparts, with some collectors paying premium prices for rare digital assets. Independent designers are thriving in this new landscape, minting their own NFT clothing lines and building global brands without the need for physical inventory or traditional retail spaces. The barriers to entry are lower, allowing for more innovation and diversity in design. Marketplaces like DressX and The Fabricant make it easy for users to buy, wear, and show off digital outfits across multiple platforms, from social media to gaming environments. These platforms are creating new ways for people to express themselves and connect with others. Creativity in digital fashion is truly limitless. Designers can create garments that defy the laws of physics. Think dresses that float, shimmer, or morph in real time, making digital fashion uniquely appealing and impossible to replicate in the physical world. The phygital model is also gaining traction, bridging the gap between real and virtual. Buy a physical item and you get its digital twin for your avatar, allowing you to showcase your style both online and offline. Nike's acquisition of RTFKT, a leader in digital sneakers and collectibles, shows just how seriously major brands are taking digital wearables and the future of fashion in the metaverse. Revenue streams in digital fashion are diverse, including direct sales, royalties on resales, and high-profile brand collaborations. This new economy is opening up opportunities for both established labels and emerging creators. By 2025, digital wardrobes will be curated collections from major brands and indie designers alike, making virtual fashion not just a trend, but a highly profitable and sustainable business for the future. Let's talk VR events, concerts, conferences, and meetups reimagined for the metaverse. VR creates a sense of presence, letting you attend events with people worldwide, no travel required. Artists like Travis Scott and The Weeknd have hosted virtual concerts for millions, selling tickets and virtual merch. Fans get immersive experiences, flying around the stage, interacting with visuals, and buying exclusive digital goods. The business world is on board too. Companies host conferences and trade shows in VR, saving on travel and venue costs. Platforms like Engage VR offer persistent virtual convention halls, where attendees network, visit booths, and handle 3D product demos. Monetization comes from ticket sales, sponsorships, booth rentals, and in-event digital goods. Even small-scale events, workshops, meet and greets, therapy sessions are finding new business models in VR. As VR tech gets cheaper and more accessible, barriers to entry drop for both organizers and attendees. By 2025, attending major launches or concerts in VR will be mainstream and highly profitable. Finally, play-to-earn gaming, where players earn real value for their time and skill. Blockchain games let you own in-game assets as NFTs or cryptocurrencies, which can be sold for real money. Axie Infinity pioneered this. Players earn crypto by battling creatures, and for many, it became a real income source. Players drive the economy, and developers earn by taking a cut of every marketplace transaction. The model is evolving. New games focus on fun first, with earning as a bonus, think Star Atlas or Illuvium. Entire jobs have emerged. Scholarships let NFT owners lend assets to players for a share of earnings, lowering entry barriers. Gamers worldwide can craft, trade, and sell digital items, turning play into a global, permissionless market. These economies are volatile and complex, but the potential is huge. By 2025, the most successful games will blend compelling gameplay with robust earning mechanics, making gamers true stakeholders in their virtual worlds. There you have it. 5 business models shaping the metaverse economy. From virtual land and NFTs to digital fashion, VR events, and play-to-earn games, this is the new frontier of entrepreneurship. The tools are here, the platforms are live, and the audience is growing daily. The metaverse rewards creators, builders, and visionaries. Whether you're an artist, investor, or community builder, there's a place for you. Subscribe for more on the future of business and tech. Thanks for watching. See you next time.